Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stay-at-Home Grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Ancord wireless speaker. It is a Bluetooth, and it is mini, ultra-portable wireless speaker, and it is gold. That's not too much glare. And it is the true wireless stereo speaker. I am going to take it out the box and show you, but this is also a gift, so I'm not going to fool with it too much. Show it to you when I get it out. So this is it. It has all the bells and whistles on the bottom of it. I'm going to take this out just so you can see it. It's a little teeny, you can hold it in the palm of your hand. That's how small it is. But I am going to plug it in because it fits in my computer. Let's see what it does. If there are anything in the computer. Rev it up, see what happens. This is a short wire too. Right here. Everybody bear with me. I'm not sure why this is not going in. But this should be the side that would go in, I would think. Could be me. This is how it goes in. Let's see. Then on the side of my computer, right here. And that goes in well there. Well, it plugs in and everything. I guess you can't, unless I had some music or something on. But that's it. I'm going to pull it out and let you see it again. This is the speaker. I will leave all the information in the comments section. And I like it. It's cute. And that's for my husband as well, I think, for his birthday. Because he'll be away fishing and he'll have his little, his little phone and everything. And he can have his speaker and whatnot. So that's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.